I think we need to call, is it me or the dog?
Why?
Sophie, she's a big biter.
She's a puppy.
That bites. She's defending herself.
She's hugging him.
Oh.
Uh-oh. That's how they meet each other. Poor Sophie. Sophie!
Yeah, you look so strong now.
Sophie!
Yeah, you look so strong now, Sophie.
She's a baby.
That's right. You're not so strong.